What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Man, right now we are headed to do a little look at one of the buildings that we are going to do a kitchen clean on. I got a team coming in tomorrow night to do a kitchen clean on the assisted living facility, and I want to go out there and see where we can hook up the pressure washer and what type of game plan we could put together so I can see if I can get them in and out at an efficient amount of time. Got to take care of the fryer. It's a kitchen clean, Ascent Cleaning Solutions. We're doing a kitchen clean tonight. Got my guys with me. Want to make sure we get the stove together. Take these eyes off and take them and pressure wash them off. All the back behind there, get that done. Got that gunk back there. Want to make sure we get all of that. All back here. This is the main point that I will be working on. I think this will be most of the kitchen right here. Just making sure we get these together. Finish getting inside the details, inside the creases. Want to make sure they come back and see them creases clean. Make sure you get your creases clean. All right, look at that top. Yeah, we're gonna get it together though. We're gonna get it together. This is halfway. Just sprayed this down. Floors will be last. So here we have a cooler. It has all of this stuff that's on the floor. So we'll be addressing these issues. Get this stuff up off the ground if possible. We are done with the freezer and the fridge of this restaurant. And here are the freezer. We are doing the floors today, and my guy in here is scrubbing these floors. I'm doing a video. Doing a final walkthrough on the kitchen this morning. Alright, we got stainless steel wipe down. Bottom of the door is done. Floors are scrubbed. Sparkly. Stainless steel cleaner. Clean the things on up. Kitchen clean, Ascent Cleaning Solutions. We have a solution for your cleaning needs. And here we have touched up the kitchen. Deep cleaning the kitchen, and we ready to go. If you like the content I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share if you think there's someone else like to hear it. I like to say, throw something positive up in the air. I'm up out of here. Let's see what we got.